Hello, I'm Srinivasrao Panduri, the SB head for IBM Mainframe and IBM practices at HCL Tech. At HCL Tech, we bring deep infrastructure expertise, a robust delivery framework, and innovative solutions to our clients. We are a global transformational enterprise collaborating with our clients in areas that impact and redefine the core of their business. We excel in delivering scalable, secure, and highly available infrastructure services with industry-aligned solutions. IBM Power infrastructure is the key value driver to deliver enterprise-grade security, performance, and availability. With the launch of IBM Power11, we are particularly excited about the feature of Zero Planned Downtime. This advancement means clients can now update, patch, and maintain their infrastructure without any service interruption. A true leap forward for mission-critical operations. In industries such as banking, where even minutes of downtime can lead to reputational risks, compliance challenges, and revenue losses, Power11 helps to avoid potential losses that can amount to millions of dollars annually. Together, IBM and HCL Tech are enabling and shaping future-ready enterprises powered by innovation, trust, and IBM Power.